So, good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, teacher.
So, by the way, I am teacher Marian. So, what's my name again?
Teacher Marian.
So, now, we have here our classroom rules that we must be followed. First, follow instructions. Act on direct right away for a smoother class flow. Second, maintain silence. Stay quiet during discussion to ensure everyone can learn. So third, raise your hand. Wait for your turn to avoid interruptions. So fourth, listen attentively, focus and pay attention when someone is speaking. So now, this is your behavioral chart. This behavioral chart is to track the behavior of each group. So the group who is not participating, so I will deduct the star and I will add to the group who is participating. And this one is your reward chart. So this reward chart, so I will give a candy reward for those students who is participating. So now, we learn about a use of demonstrative pronouns. So this is 4 types of demonstrative pronouns. So please, I will show the following demonstrative pronouns. So okay, please read, class.
This.
That and those. These are the 4 types of pronouns. So please read again, class, the 4 types of pronouns.
This.
These and that and those. These are the 4 types of pronouns. So now, okay, class, this is the use of this, that, and those. So, okay, class. Please read the first sentence.
This is a sensor.
So, where is the pronouns? So, very good. This. And second,
That is a notebook.
so where is the pronouns?
That.
So, that. And this sentence,
These are books.
so where is the
This.
this? And this one,
Those are chairs.
those are chairs.
Those.
Those. So, very good. So now we talk about demonstrative pronouns. So this is the demonstrative pronouns. There are four types. So this, that, these, and those. So this and that is singular. But this is near. But and that is far. So and this and those is plural, but they are different because this is near and those is far. So unsa ganitong kuan gani? This and that and this and those. Very good. So now, who can read the sentence? So who can read the sentence in front? And find the pronouns there. Ikaw dyan.
This is apple.
Apple. So where is the pronouns?
This.
This. Very good. So anyone? Stand here. In front.
That is a house.
Very good. And where is the pronouns there?
That.
Very good. So let's give her a very good applause. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Very good. Very good. So now, I will call anyone who can read this another sentence in the picture. Please come here in front and read.
These are my houses.
or far?
Near.
Near. So now, anyone? So let's come here in front and read.
Those are birds.
Those are birds. And where is the pronouns there? Those. So very good. It is near or far? Far. Very good. So now, who can illustrate the 4 types of pronouns? Stand up.
This.
First,
This.
this. Second,
That.
and third,
This.
and fourth.
This.
Very good. So now I will call anyone to point any specific things that can be either near or far. So, Jan,
This is my girlfriend Jan.
so where is the pronouns there?
This.
Is. And Angel. Please point a specific thing that either be near or far.
That is my classmate.
Repeat, please, louder your voice.
That is my classmate Anna.
So it is correct, class?
Correct.
Very good. So let's give her a amazing applause. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Amazing. So, so I will call another. So Angel, please stand up.
Those are my talented siblings.
So where is the pronouns there? Those. So it is correct, class?
Yes,
Very good. So now let's call May for her sentence. Very good. And where is the pronouns there? Those. Is she correct, class?
Yes, these are
Very good. So now, you already know the 4 types of demonstrative pronouns. So, did you understand, class, what is demonstrative pronouns?
Yes, sir.
So please recall the 4 types.
This, that,
This, and
those.
So this and this is here. Muna to naman and here kanang dulo sa tapos that and those is there. For example, this is an apple. So kanang naara siya sa ato ang atubangan. Kita na natin siya diri doon. Tapos and that is kanang sa layo. Kanang makita natin siya pero naa siya sa layo. And this is kanang daghan siya na daghan. Tapos ang those is daghan siya pero layo. So, okay class, I will group you into 4 groups. 4 groups. Each group will write a sentence in the given pronouns. You have an activity sheet. So this is group 1, group 2, group 3, and group 4. So please write and that is the given pronouns in the answer sheet. So start. So I will give you have only 3 minutes to answer. So each group will present your written sentence here in front. So and describe your answer. So who can present here in front? First group. So group 4. So stand here in front and read.
Those are my trees.
So where is the pronouns? Those. So is she correct? Very good. And who else? So group 1.
This is my ball.
This is my ball. And where is the pronouns?
This.
And this. Very good. And another group 2.
That is
That is
my shirt.
my shirt. Is she correct?
Yes.
So where is the pronouns there? That. And last group 3. These are the car. So where is the pronouns there? This. Very good. So now let's read the story. So please read everybody. So ako sa basa una. Apo, giant guardian.
Apo, a giant guardian.
Written by Obed B. Periabras.
Written by Obed B.
Continue. A long time ago,
A long time ago,
the gods made a noble giant named Apu.
the gods made a noble giant named Apo.
He was a kind and wise giant.
He was a kind and wise giant.
The gods traveled to earth with Apu and give him the whole world as present.
The gods traveled to earth with Apo and gave him the whole world as present.
This land is where the plants grow and rivers flow. Please take flow.
This land is where the plants grow and rivers flow.
Please take good care of them.
Please take good care and them.
The God said,
The gods said,
these animals are my creations.
these animals are my creations.
Please be good to them. The God continued.
Please be good to
That is the moon.
That is the moon.
It will give you light at night.
It will give you light at night.
The gods spoke while pointing at the skies above.
The gods spoke while pointing at the skies above.
Those are the stars and planets where other gods live.
Those are the stars and planets where others gods live.
Please call them if you need help.
Please call them if you need help.
The gods said and did.
The gods said and lived.
Apu help everyone and live with grace.
Ako help everyone and live with grace.
The people who he will save them from harm and keep their home safe using his talent.
The people of you will save them from harm and keep their homes safe using his talent.
So, okay class, what is your, did you understand the story?
Yes, teacher.
So, who can describe the characters from the story? So, who can read the characters of?
Ako.
Please stand.
Ako. A giant, a noble giant made by the gods. He is described as kind and grace. In the help everyone will live with grace. The people see him as their deliverer who will save them from harm and keep their homes using his talent.
So, second, where did the story happen? So, ako nagapit, nahitabo ang story. So, kisa may maka-answer. Stand up.
Where did the story happen? The story happened on Earth, specifically in the full world. The God gave to Apo as a present. This is the land where life grows. Rivers, no animals live, and where are moon, stars, and planets can be seen in the skies.
Is she correct, class?
Yes, teacher.
Oh, very good. So the characters from the story is a giant, a noble giant created by the gods. He is described as God and wise, and he helped everyone and live with grace. The people see him as their protector, who will save from the harm and keep their home safe and using his talent. So the story happened is on earth. So now, what are some of the polite expressions used by the gods as he instructs Apu his rule? So who can answer? Please stand up.
What are some of the unique expressions used by the gods as the instruction of his word? The gods use unique equals starting with this. Please take good care of them.
So is she correct, class?
Yes, teacher.
So very good. So now we have an activity. So please answer the answer sheet and read carefully the instruction. So you have only 3 minutes to answer. So pass the paper for those who already finished. So okay, please your activity sheets. So thank you, and that's all for today's lesson.